Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini cream soup full guide. Heat 2 tablespoon olive oil in a pot. Sauté the chopped onion and garlic until translucent. Add the zucchini and diced potatoes. Pour in 3 cups vegetable stock. Bring to a simmer and cook for 15 minutes. Then puree until smooth. Return to the pot. Stir in 1 cup cream. Season with salt and pepper, and warm gently before serving. Start by bringing the pot to a gentle simmer and keep the heat moderate to avoid burning the vegetables. Stir occasionally so the potatoes break down and the zucchinis release their moisture. Once everything is tender, blend in short bursts to reach a smooth texture. Then return the soup to low heat and finish with cream, salt, and pepper while tasting as you go for balanced seasoning and warmth. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers that make storing soup and sides so much easier and less messy. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a set. They save time and frustration during busy weeks and are a small kitchen win everyone appreciates. Now let's get back to the video. Serve the soup warm in shallow bowls with a drizzle of olive oil and a few fresh herbs for color and aroma. Pair with crusty bread or a simple salad to balance the creaminess, and consider adding a squeeze of lemon if you want brightness. Leftovers keep well for 3 days in the fridge, and you can gently reheat on the stove, thinning with a splash of stock if it thickens too much.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.